Good evening, my dear student. Welcome back to our special series, Class 12th 100 Most Important Question for 2026 Board Exam. Today we are going to solve the question number 3 and question number 4. In this complete series, my aim is very clear that from every chapter I have taken 2 to 5 most important question in such a way that if you will understood a single question, you will understood the complete chapters, formulas and many concepts. So now without wasting time, we are going to solve this powerful questions, that is, determine the value of a and b such that the following function will be continuous at x equals to 0. I have uploaded 3 videos for this chapter, continuity and differentiability. If you want to see, you can see that video, you can watch that video. If you will watch that video, you can understood very well. If you will not watch, even you will understood very well. Please focus on this video till the last of this video. So the question is, fx equals to x plus sin x by sin a plus 1 into x if x belongs to minus pi to 0. Fx equals to 2 if x equals to 0 and fx equals to 2 e to the power sin bx minus 1 by bx if x greater than 0. And in function they are given function will be continuous at x equals to 0. You know that if any function is continuous at any particular point like x barabar 0, that means LHL limit equals to RHL limit equals to functional value. That means LHL limit LTX tends to 0 minus equals to LTX tends to 0 plus RHL limit equals to functional value. Then any function will be continuous, and in this question they already told that function is continuous at x equals to 0. So I have to check the value of LHL limit. LHL limit means limit x tends to 0, 0 minus. For they are given 3 functions, and in these 3 functions I have to choose one functions for LHL limit. And which function is that? How you will find that? LHL limit means the value of x will be slightly less than 0. That means the value of x will be less than 0. You have to check, here is x equals to 0, here is x greater than equals to 0. So this is x less than equals to 0. So you have to take here this function for LHL limit. So for LHL limit, the function will be x plus sin x by sin a plus 1 into x. If you will put the value of x in this function directly, you will get 0 by 0 form. And from limit chapter, you know that 0 by 0 form is not defined. For that, you have to operation on these functions. So what you will do? You will write the next term, limit x tends to 0 minus. Here I have to multiply or divide. Here I have to multiply or divide in denominator with a plus 1 into x by a plus 1 into x. Why I did this? Because limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equals to 1. We know that from limit chapter. That's why I did this. So the next term will be limit x tends to 0 minus. Here will be x plus sin x. This x will go here. This x will go here. So I can write it x plus sin x by x divide by sin a plus 1 into x by a plus 1 into x into a plus 1 will be remaining. This x will go here for solving this question. So the next term you can write limit x tends to 0 minus, here you can write x by x plus sine x by x divide by sine a plus 1 into x by a plus 1 into x into a plus 1. Now from limit formula we know that limit x tends to 0 sin x by x 1 sin x by x 1. So instead of sin x by x we can put 1. So the next term will be limit x tends to 0 x by x already 1 plus sin x by x is 1 divide by sin x by x is 1 into here is a plus 1, here is a plus 1. So it will be, when you will put the limit you don't have to write here limit x tends to 0. So this will be 2 by a plus 1, this will be 2 by a plus 1, and this is my LHL limit. And if you will find the RHL limit you will get the same, because already they told this function is continuous at x equals to 0. If you want to check you can check RHL limit also. RHL limit x tends to 0 plus, and for limit x tends to 0 plus which function you have to take? For x greater than 0 you have to choose these functions. So you just take this function 2e to the power sine bx minus 1 by bx. You just write for RHL limit sine 2 e to the power sine bx minus 1 by bx. If you will put the same 0 in this equation you will get again 0 by 0 form. So what you have to do? Limit x tends to 0 plus, you just write 2 into e to the power sine bx minus 1 by sine bx into sine bx by bx. What I did, I just multiply and divide sine bx in numerator and denominator for solving this question. Now just put the limit. If you will put the limit, you also know one formula. Limit x tends to 0 e to the power x minus 1 by x equals to 1. So here will be 2 into e to the power x minus 1 by same x. So this will be 2 into 1. And sine bx by b is sine bx by b. Sine bx by b also will be sin a by a. Sin a by a equals to 1. Sin a by a equals to 1. So there will be 2. So you will get 2 in RHL limit. And if you will see the functional value that means f of x and f of x is equals to 2. That is already given. It means the function is continuous at x equals to 0. They already given. So we can write that LHL limit LHL barabar RHL barabar functional value. LHL, you know that you got 2 by a plus 1 and this one is 2. So from here you can get the RH, the value of a. If you will multiply this, you will get 2 into a, you will get 2 into a plus 1 equals to 2a barabar this 2 will come, that's go that side by 0. So a equals to 0 and b is a real number that is not equals to 0. So I find a and b. So my friends, just practice this type of question 2 or 3 times and share this video to more students that they can get help from this video. And thank you so much for watching my video.